Are you ready? Let's go! Alright guys, today we are going to do a 14-minute interval. Let's get a drink of water first. We're going to start today off a little bit different. I never share this part, it's always behind the scenes. Take a couple deep breaths. I don't know if you know this about me, but my strength when I'm doing workouts or anything else comes from the man upstairs. That's right, I'm a Christian. I love to pray and I love to give thanks and I love to ask him in the middle of the workout for the strength to keep going. So I'm not going to hide that anymore. If you have a God that you believe in, pray to him also. It's completely fine. Let's set our iPhone watch for the heart rate. And we're almost ready here in 3, 2, 1. Hit that big max button right into your sprint. When I sprint, I like to take it right up into that red zone. Whatever you are comfortable with, make that your red zone. Just do it honestly, consistently, and give it your best effort. 5 more seconds. Hold it. Now bring it on down and try to get comfortable here. Now I normally hold it up pretty high. Today I'm going to do it a little bit moderate. I'm not going to stay consistent at that 33, 34, 35. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. But I want you to come back down wherever you are comfortable. This is a interval training. So if you want to come way down, I'm talking 10, 15, or even lower than that, bring it on down. But make sure when the interval comes back up, you are going to be consistent and get it up there and really make it count. I'm sorry, I apologize that there's no music today. I want you to concentrate on the actual exercise. We have 15 seconds. We're going to hit another sprint. Sprint number 2. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back up. These are only 25 seconds. Come on. 15 seconds to go. Keep it spinning. Hang on to it. 10 seconds left. You got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down gradually. Guys, don't just drop it. I want you to make sure that the whole in 25 seconds is sprint out and then bring it down. If you stop short, you're going to continue stopping short. We don't want that. Relax. Take it as low as you have to. You don't have to maintain this at a high, fast pace. You can bring it way down. Just relax. If you have to play around with the resistance when you're coming down, if you have to bring the resistance down, bring it down to really relax your body and then put the resistance up a little higher when you go back into that sprint. "30 seconds remaining. That's plenty of time to recover. Nice deep breaths. Lots of oxygen way deep in your lungs. "15 seconds. We have sprint number 3 coming up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, get on it. Get on it. This is where the exercise is. This is the calorie burning. This is where you got to make it count. If it hurts, good. If it's not hurting, if you're not wishing it stops, you're not going hard enough. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Way down. Relax. Now, if you guys have been working out with me for a very long time and you're used to this pace up above 30 calories per minute, then that's fine. If you are new to this, do not try to hang with this pace. I don't want you to burn yourself out where you don't finish the exercise. Guys, this is not an elliptical. For you new people out there, this is not an elliptical. I'm sure you figured that out already. You are on a much harder machine. An elliptical has more of a glide to it. This is more of a stair climber. I like to think of it as climbing up the side of a mountain. We have 30 seconds. We're still recovering. We got 15 seconds coming up. Start gearing yourself up. This is where you get your mind engaged. You really want to get focused. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit it. You got to hit it hard. These are only 14-minute workouts. We don't have a lot of time. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Come on. Close your eyes if you have to. 10 seconds remaining. You have bells on your machine. Just wait for the bell. Don't look at the gauges. 3, 2, 1. Now come down and relax. Remember, guys, sprint through that finish line. If you anticipate when the one's coming around, you're going to stop early. Next thing you know, you're stopping with 2 seconds to go, and then 3 seconds to go. You're not getting the full interval. You want to sprint through that finish line. 60 seconds remaining. That is a lot of time to recover. If you are not recovering, that means you are not slowing down enough. Guys, if you notice around there, besides my name, the Oil Field Workout Guy, I am Joe. I am your host. In the descriptions, below the description, when you read this thing, I have direct links to Bowflex. I have direct links to Coldest Water Bottle. I have direct links to Tastefully Simple. Tastefully Simple has recipes, low fat, low carb diets. They have spices and everything else. These are all supporters of my channel. Go check them out if you want. The links are there for you. And we are coming up on 10 seconds. Get ready to sprint again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Make it count. Come on. I don't care if you're tired. I don't care if it hurts. This is the workout. Let's keep it moving. 15 seconds remaining. Come on. Keep pumping. I don't care if it's slow or fast, just as long as it hurts and you're giving 110%. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Now bring it down. Nice deep breath. Super, super deep. That air has to be going way deep in your lungs, guys. The bigger gulp of air, the deeper you push it down into the bottom of the lungs, the better the oxygen going into your blood flow. Why is that important? Because we're trying to eliminate the lactic acid that is causing you to slow down. The more oxygen that you enrich throughout your body, the longer it takes for that lactic acid to build up in your body. "30 seconds remaining on your recovery here. If you are not recovered, slow way down. There is no excuse not to be recovered. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Get ready. Here we go. Sprint it out. Let's go. We got 25 seconds. Let's go. There is no tomorrow. Everything is today. Stop putting it off. This is your health. This is your life. Keep it moving. 10 seconds remaining. Anybody can do 10 seconds. Come on. Sprint it out. 5 seconds remaining. 2, 1. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Now slowly bring it down. Recover, guys. Recover. We are all hurting. That's not an excuse to stop. We are almost done this workout. We have 2 more sprints remaining. If you stop now, the only person you're going to hate for it is yourself. "45 seconds. Man, that's a long time. If you are not recovered, slow down. I don't know how many times I have to tell you that. Slow down. I know everybody wants the big numbers on this machine. You're not going to get the big number if you can't finish the workout. In time, you will get the bigger numbers. Guys, let me remind you too, I'm the only one that puts the control panel in front of you so you can see my workout. This is how you know that I am not bullshitting you. 10 seconds remaining. Let's start gearing up. Get it in your mind. We have to get ready to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the sprint. This is the workout. Lay into it, guys. Come on. Keep it going. Keep it going. Harder, harder. I don't want halfway. I want all of it. Harder. Let's go. 10 seconds remaining. Come on, burn them calories. Keep it going. We have 4, we have 3, we have 2, we have 1. Keep it going, keep it going. Now slowly bring it down. Good job. Good job. We have 1 sprint remaining. Make sure you're fully recovered. I don't care how slow that you slow down right now. I want 110% on this last sprint. This is the workout, guys. This is the calorie burning session. You bring it way down, you interval it up. That's where the calories get burnt. Now, if you can maintain at a high rate at 30 plus calories per minute, great. But if you can't, so what? It's your workout. Do what you can do. If you can't get that needle up into that red zone, the 40 plus calories per minute in the sprint, so what? It's no excuse not to do the workout. 15 seconds, last sprint. 10 seconds, take a deep breath right now. Start gearing that machine up. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. Push it up there. Push it up higher than you pushed it up before. Come on. Get it going. Get it going. Sprint it out. Don't stop. Move it, move it, move it. Come on. I want you to keep sprinting. Do not stop. I'm not even giving you a countdown. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Bring it down slow. Bring it down slow. Recover. Recover. Start getting ready to finish up this workout. That was awesome, guys. I think I like this better. I think I like this better than the music out there. I think I like torturing you with my voice. Guys and girls, no matter where you are on your control panel, no matter what machine you have, as long as when the interval sprint came around and you put 100% effort into moving that needle up higher, you are a champion. You are serious about your workout. and you're going to thank yourself later. Don't thank me. I am no superstar. I'm just a guy working out, and I'm trying to give you something to look at while you're working out. That's all. "15 seconds and your workout will be complete." Thanks for working out with me. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time.